Beyond the Hype, a fashion lifestyle tech podcast. Presented by Stephanie Williams and Greg Lewis.
Welcome in, everyone. Today we're diving into a really interesting space where the world of luxury collides with the power of cryptocurrency.
It's definitely a fascinating intersection.
Yeah, it is. You know, we always think of luxury brands as, well, they're all about tradition,
right,
exclusivity, high price tags. But now they're embracing this whole decentralized digital world of crypto.
It's very intriguing to see how these worlds are starting to come together.
So that's what we're going to unpack today. Why are these worlds colliding? What's it mean for both industries? And of course, what should you, as someone who's already in the crypto space, be paying attention to?
The biggest takeaway here is this isn't just about accepting another form of payment. It's about reaching this new generation of luxury consumers who are digitally native. They understand crypto. It's part of their lifestyle.
So let's look at a specific example of this. Printemps, the iconic Parisian department store.
Legendary.
They became the first European luxury retailer to accept crypto payments in their physical stores.
And they're doing it in a really strategic way. They've partnered with Binance, a major player in the crypto exchange world, and also with Lyzi, a French fintech company, to handle these transactions. And what's important here is that they're not just like testing it out, they're going all in with crypto across a wide range of luxury goods.
That's a bold move, and I'm sure there must have been a lot of challenges to get that going.
Oh, definitely. I mean, to be a pioneer in this space, they had to, navigate uncharted territory, integrating existing payment systems with blockchain technology, making sure it was secure for the brand and for the customer.
Of course.
And of course, all those regulatory complexities that come with crypto transactions. But their success, it really shows that the luxury market is becoming more ready to embrace all of this.
And it looks like their success is inspiring others. We're seeing other luxury brands like St. DuPont, known for their high-end accessories. They're planning to start accepting crypto payments in their Paris stores, and they're timing it with the holiday shopping season.
That timing is definitely strategic.
Makes sense.
They know that crypto-savvy consumers have a lot of spending power, especially around the holidays.
Now, we've also seen Gucci and Balenciaga experiment with crypto before. Does this mean the entire luxury sector is headed in this direction?
It's more than just offering another way to pay. It's about showing their customers, particularly the younger generation, that they get it, they understand the appeal of crypto, and they're evolving with the times.
So it's about staying relevant.
Exactly.
But this trend goes beyond fashion, doesn't it?
Absolutely. We're even seeing crypto entering the world of luxury experiences. For example, Virgin Voyages now offers a $120,000 annual cruise pass that you can buy with Bitcoin.
Wow.
This opens up a whole new world for people who hold a lot of crypto, giving them access to luxury in a completely different way.
That's quite a price tag, even for a luxury cruise.
It is. And it shows how crypto is moving beyond just being a niche interest or purely an investment. It's becoming a recognized form of wealth, a way to access exclusive experiences. And this trend, it's only going to grow. So it really makes you wonder, could we see even more unique crypto exclusive experiences in the future?
I think so. I mean, imagine events or luxury items that you could only access by owning specific NFTs.
Exactly.
Or having a certain amount of crypto.
The possibilities are really endless.
Yeah.
But we do need to acknowledge the challenges here.
Right.
We can't ignore the regulatory concerns and the volatility that comes with the crypto market.
Yeah. Central banks around the world have issued warnings about the risks of using crypto as payment, so we do have to consider how those concerns are being addressed.
Absolutely.
So it seems like luxury brands are trying to balance this drive for innovation with the need to operate within a safe and regulated environment.
It's a balancing act for sure.
It is. So before we go deeper into how this is actually changing the luxury experience, let's take a closer look at those challenges, the regulations, and that market volatility. Because understanding those things is key to understanding how this space is going to develop, both for the brands and for the consumers.
As we dig deeper into this fusion of luxury and cryptocurrency, we have to understand the role of regulations. Central banks around the world have voiced concerns about the use of cryptocurrencies, bringing up potential risks like money laundering and consumer protection.
Makes sense. Seems like luxury brands have to walk a fine line, right?
Yeah.
They want to attract this new wave of crypto-savvy clients, but they also need to stay on the right side of the law. How do they balance those competing pressures?
That's the core challenge. It's about striking a balance between encouraging innovation and ensuring compliance. As blockchain technology gets more sophisticated and regulatory frameworks get clearer, we should see more robust and secure solutions emerge.
Right.
This evolution will probably require close collaboration between luxury brands, financial institutions, and of course, regulatory bodies.
Makes sense. Now, another thing we can't ignore is the volatility of the crypto market. The value of Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these cryptocurrencies, it can swing wildly. That creates uncertainty for both the brands and the consumers.
Right.
So how are luxury brands mitigating the risks tied to those price swings?
It's a valid point, and brands are testing out different strategies. Some are partnering with payment processors that immediately convert crypto to traditional currency at the point of sale.
Oh, okay.
This allows brands to get paid in their preferred currency while still giving customers the option to pay with crypto.
So the brands can grow their customer base, accept more payment options without taking on too much risk from crypto's price fluctuations. But then what's the incentive for the consumer to actually choose crypto as their payment method?
That's a great question, and it highlights the need for luxury brands to offer something truly valuable when it comes to crypto payments. It can't just be an alternative. The whole experience needs to be elevated.
Right.
Maybe this means exclusive perks, loyalty programs specifically for crypto users, or even fractional ownership opportunities powered by blockchain technology for limited edition items.
I see.
It has to feel seamless, part of that luxury experience.
It makes sense. If a customer is going to go through the extra steps of paying with crypto, there needs to be a tangible benefit.
Exactly. The brands that will really win in this space are the ones that understand why crypto-savvy consumers are drawn to it and then cater to those expectations.
You mentioned that attracting a new demographic is a key reason brands are adopting crypto.
It is.
But are there other strategic considerations?
Absolutely. One major advantage is streamlining cross-border transactions. Crypto can bypass traditional banking systems, cutting down on fees and processing times.
Interesting.
Which is super valuable in the global luxury market. Picture this, a customer in Asia buying a rare watch from a boutique in Europe.
Okay.
Crypto makes that transaction so much more efficient.
Yeah, so that increased efficiency clearly benefits the brand, but how does it directly affect the customer? Is it just about speed, or are there more subtle benefits?
It goes beyond speed. Blockchain technology empowers luxury brands to enhance transparency and traceability in their supply chains.
Right.
And this is becoming more and more important for consumers.
Yeah, absolutely. There's a growing demand for transparency in the luxury sector. Consumers want to know the origin of a product, how it was made, where the materials came from.
Exactly. Blockchain provides a permanent, unchangeable record of that entire journey. And that's crucial for fighting counterfeiting.
Which is a huge problem.
A major challenge in the luxury industry. Imagine buying a designer handbag with an NFT embedded that confirms its authenticity.
Oh, wow.
On the blockchain. It eliminates any doubt about whether the product is real.
So NFTs are adding a layer of transparency and security that was missing before in the luxury goods market.
Exactly.
And this could really revolutionize how we think about ownership and authenticity.
Absolutely.
And then we're also seeing the rise of fractional ownership platforms powered by blockchain. This allows individuals to invest in pieces of luxury assets like rare watches, fine art, maybe even private jets, things that would be out of reach for most people on their own.
It's democratizing access to a level of luxury that was once exclusive to the ultra-wealthy. And it's creating new investment opportunities for a much wider audience. Imagine owning a share of a classic Ferrari, all facilitated by the security and transparency of the blockchain.
It's clear that integrating crypto into the world of luxury is still in its early stages. But it's rapidly evolving, and it's changing the landscape in really significant ways.
As those lines between the physical and digital worlds keep blurring, crypto's role in the future of luxury is only going to grow.
So we're watching this fascinating convergence of these established luxury brands with this relatively new disruptive technology.
It's a space filled with both challenges and opportunity.
We've talked about why brands are adopting crypto, the hurdles they face in terms of regulation and market volatility, and how blockchain can make things more transparent and secure. But let's move beyond the theory and actually explore how this intersection is already changing the luxury experience itself. We've been talking about the why and the how of luxury brands adopting crypto, but now let's talk about the customer experience.
Yeah.
How is this actually changing how people are engaging with luxury?
One of the coolest things is the rise of exclusive crypto-centric experiences. We talked about that Virgin Voyages cruise pass,
Yeah.
the $120,000 one, purchasable with Bitcoin. That's a perfect example of how crypto is opening up these really unique high-end experiences tailored for people with a lot of crypto wealth.
So it's not just about buying luxury items with a different currency. It's about this whole new level of access and exclusivity.
Absolutely. And it's not just cruises either. High-end real estate developers are starting to accept crypto for property purchases.
Wow.
Like imagine buying a luxury apartment in Dubai or a villa in Switzerland using Bitcoin.
Yeah.
This gives crypto holders a new way to invest and get into a market that was traditionally very hard to access.
So crypto is bridging the gap between the digital world and these really tangible, high-value assets.
Exactly. And another area where we're seeing a lot of innovation is with NFTs in the luxury space. Brands are using NFTs to offer digital collectibles, to authenticate physical products, and even to grant access to exclusive events or communities.
So you could own a limited edition digital artwork from your favorite fashion designer, or have an NFT that acts as a VIP pass to a runway show.
Exactly. It's like next level exclusivity, all powered by blockchain technology.
And it helps with a major issue in the luxury market.
Yeah.
Counterfeiting.
Right. Let's say you buy a luxury handbag.
Yeah.
It could come with an NFT tied to the blockchain that proves it's authentic.
Oh, wow.
No more worries about buying a fake.
Yeah.
It gives both the buyer and the seller more security and trust.
It seems like NFTs are bringing a level of transparency and security that wasn't there before.
For sure. And this technology has the power to change how we think about ownership and authentication in the luxury world.
We're also seeing fractional ownership platforms, also powered by blockchain. This lets people invest in fractions of luxury assets, like rare watches, art, even private jets, stuff that most people could never afford on their own.
It's democratizing access to luxury, making it available to a wider audience. And it's creating new investment opportunities, letting people benefit from the potential appreciation of these high-value assets without having to buy them outright. Think about owning a fraction of a Ferrari, all made possible by the blockchain.
So it's clear that this fusion of crypto and luxury is just getting started, but it's already changing the game in big ways.
As those lines between the physical and digital worlds keep blurring, crypto will continue to play a bigger and bigger role in the future of luxury.
We can expect to see more innovation, personalized experiences, fractional ownership, and more use of blockchain for transparency and trust.
It's a dynamic space full of possibilities.
And for those of you fascinated by this convergence of luxury and crypto, remember, you're at the forefront of this transformation. It's a really exciting time to be involved. The potential is truly limitless. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.
Beyond the Hype, a fashion lifestyle tech podcast.